Welcome! For this tutorial, I already have a couple of animations prepared. The position, the camera, the explosion and rotation. Bring the timeline node and give it a name. And we will proceed to connect all the animations into the timeline. Open the animate node and connect it to the timeline. Bring the rest of the nodes and repeat the same step. Once you have all the nodes connected to the timeline, you can change the frames to delay the start animation. And we are done. Now we can play all the animations at the same time. Thank you for watching. Till next time.